Hi viewers, let's look at this today question. We are told in this question to evaluate this. Now, remember the rules of BODMAS. BODMAS says treat the bracket before the multiplication. So we treat this first. So this one will now be 1, 1, 1, 1. That is in base 2 plus 1, 0, 1, 0 in base 2. So when we add up here, what do we have? 1 plus 0 is 1. We are adding in base 2. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 is up to base 2. So the rule says 2 divided by 2 will be 1, remainder 0. Bring down this remainder here. Then take this one up to the next digit. So we take it here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 0 is 2. So it means 2 divided by 2 also. Since we added this up to the base, 2 divided by 2 will be 1 remainder 0. Take the remainder here. Then we'll now take this one up. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3. So since it's 3, which is greater than the base, you now say 3 divided by 2, which is 1, remainder 1. Take this remainder here. Then this 1, we put it here, and it will be 1 plus 0, which is 1 in base 2. So we've opened this bracket. This is what you got. You now use this to multiply this. That's the next step. So this one will now be what? It will now be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 in base 2 times what? 1, 1, 1 in base 2. So we multiply out. So in multiplying here, what do we have? You now say 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. Then 1 times 1, 1. We do the same thing with this. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times this 0, 0. Then 1 times this 1, 1. Then 1 times 1, we have 1. Are you with me? Are you following what I'm doing? So let me bracket this so that we will not make mistake. The next one here is 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 0 is what? 0. Then 1 times this 0 is 0. Then 1 times 1 is what? 1. Then 1 times 1 is 1. You now add it in base 2. So in adding in base 2, so let's look at what we got here. So this would be 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 here plus 0 is 2. So since it's up to the base in which we are between 2 to add, so what will you do? You will now say 2 divided by 2, which is 1, remainder 0. So in this case, we bring down the remainder 0. We now take the 1 up here. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And it's greater than the base 2 in which we are adding. So it will now be what? 3 divided by 2, which will be 1, remainder 1. So you bring down the remainder here. You now take the 1 up here. So since 1 plus 1 2 is 2, it will be 2 divided by 2, which is 1 remainder 0. You bring down the remainder 0 here. Then the remainder 1, if you put it here, nothing, you now add 1. So your answer in base 2 to this question is this. So bye.